Yeah, that's right.
안녕하세요. 오늘은 소리를 듣고 맞추는 게임을 할 거예요.
아이들이 눈을 가리고 소리를 듣고요.
눈으로 보지 않고 귀로만 집중해서 맞춰야 해요.
그러면 잘 들어야겠네요.
어려울 것 같아요.
자, 여러분들 걱정하지 마시고 여러분들이 잘 들으면 꼭 맞힐 수 있을 거예요.
Are you ready?
Yes.
오케이. 자, 그럼 이제 본격적으로 게임을 시작하기 전에 연습 게임을 먼저 해볼게요.
Listen carefully.
Guess what?
양치하는 것 같은.
Sounds like someone's brushing their teeth, right?
정답이랍니다.
모래 밟는 소리랑 비슷하게.
Sand,
파도 소리.
sound of the waves. This is hard.
알 것 같아요. 전 알 것
What is
같아요.
it?
힌트가 있다면 가을인 것 같아요.
Oh,
낙엽 밟는 소리.
맞나요?
wow.
정답입니다. 자, 여러분들 연습 게임이 지금 어땠어요? 재밌었어요?
네.
자, 그러면은 여러분들이 기대하고 기대하던 본격 게임을 시작하도록 하겠습니다.
You can only use your ears. We'll make a sound behind you, okay?
Okay.
What do you want to do first?
This one? I like
Okay.
this.
Here we go.
Is it a food?
No.
Hint number 2.
I like this. I like this.
I know.
You could say it in Korean.
뼈기?
Yes, it's a bubble wrap.
I think this is very easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it butter?
Right, but
Can you make more noises?
Can we make
What?
more noise?
more noise. Okay.
Is it a water bottle?
Yes, you guys
right.
got it at once.
Okay. I do.
Okay, here is our next sound. Did you hear it?
Yeah. Water?
Water.
No.
Okay, we'll try one more time.
Okay.
Here we go. Listen carefully, okay?
Is it paper?
Yes, it's a type of paper.
What paper?
A4 paper? A book?
Yes,
Yes.
that's right.
Good.
But what were we doing with the book?
Flip the pages.
Yeah, flip or turn the pages.
Yeah.
Good. That was really good.
Good. What do you hear?
Is it bumpy?
It's not bumpy.
Okay, one more time.
What's it made of?
Plastic and wood and rubber.
Is it a knife?
No. Rather than an item, it's an action.
Action.
Where do we use this?
Before you study? Yeah.
Before you study.
A pencil sharpener?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
right.
That was good. This is our last question, so listen carefully, all right? There are 2 items.
First,
Where do we use it?
We can use it in many different occasions. In the kitchen, opening boxes, and then the second item,
It's like the book.
similar.
yeah.
Next hint.
Is it cutting paper?
Ooh.
Yeah, that's
Yes, you're right. Good job, guys.
잠시만요. 잠깐만 조용히 해볼까요?
지금 어떤 소리가 들리나요?
앞으로도 여러분이 주변 소리에 한번 귀 기울여 보세요.
그럼 다음에 또 만나요.
안녕.